In this video we're going to be making a pair of hooped drop earrings, like so. For this you'll need 2 hoops which open like so, 2 head pins and a pair of earring hooks, some small beads, this size 10 seed beads, some droplet beads and some small focal beads which are 3mm in this particular one here. So first of all you're going to take your hoop and we're going to put your seed beads on. In this design the droplets are the centerpiece and the seed beads are either side. So I'm going to put the seed beads on first, half the seed beads on, then my droplet beads, then the other half. In this particular design I'm putting 10 seed beads on either side. So I'm going to put 10 seed beads on. So I've got 10 there. So in these pieces that side there is secure and this is the side that opens up to let you put your beads on. And then I'm going to put a droplet bead on. Then seed bead. Droplet, seed bead, and then a droplet. And then I'm just going to put the other 10 seed beads this side to fill that up. All of the beads on there where I want them to be. And this particular bit here is open. I'm just going to show you where that's going to go inside. I'm just going to push that in there to that little hole there. So now that's in. This side is already secured closed and we're going to create a similar effect on this side by squashing this side flat, so that how it's, you can see it's a slight opening. We're going to squish that opening closed with our flat nose pliers, which will then grip this wire in place and it won't slide out then. Just take it, flat nose pliers, like so. I'm going to show you, and then you're just going to give it a little nip. That squishes that closed now. I'll show you on this side. So that is it open. That's it open there, and that is where it's been nipped closed. So that's the main part of the bead finished, secured in, it won't come out. And now we're going to do the head pin drop. So a head pin, 2 of the focal beads and 2 seed beads. So we're just going to do this like we would do an earring hook. So as if we're doing a normal drop earring. Seed beads on, snip any excess off, and you're just going to leave about 1 centimetre of wire to make your loop. Snip off, and then you're going to create the loop with your round nose pliers. Okay. And that's the loop there created. If you want a more detailed instructions on how to do this, you can watch back my basic drop earrings video. So we're just going to open that little loop that you just made and then attach it through this hole just at the bottom. So it's the bottom hole there, this one. Catch it through, so it's now swinging there, and then you're going to close it up again with your flat nose pliers. There we go, so that's where we're at so far. And now it's just a matter of attaching your earring hook. Take your earring hook, going to see the opening, use your flat nose pliers, bend that up towards you so it opens up, and then catch through. Now you need to, there's no particular front or back to these earrings, but I like to have this as the part that you can see the front, and that to be the side that faces the back. So when you're putting your earring hook in, you need to be aware of what is the front and what's the back. So that side is the bit that you're going to see from the front, and this is the bit that's going to be facing the back. So catch through the hoop. This is the top hole, and then you can see that's the front that you're going to see face on, and then that's the front there. Then we're just going to close this up, close the loop on the bottom of the earring hook, and then that is your earring complete. Yeah. You can also do these as pendants, so if you want this effect put on a necklace, you would just create this, and then instead of attaching an earring hook, you just attach a jump ring in that top hole, and then that's where your necklace would go through there. So just repeat on the second one. I've already attached all of these. Okay. And that is the two. There we go. And your 2 earrings. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see any other types of earrings and bracelets and necklaces, please check out my other videos. If you want to receive updates when I put new videos on, you just click the subscribe and you should get notifications. Right, thank you.